Hello everyone, today I am going to give demo on implement an Ethernet LAN using N nodes and set multiple traffic nodes and plot the congestion of window for different source or destination by using NS2. By using NS2, you should open with terminal. There we need to type Java space -jar nsg 2.1.jar. So which will open one NSG editor. There we are going to draw the topology of 3 nodes point-to-point network. So there TCL script which is generated. So we should save as the file name dot topology. Then we need to modify the TCL script as per our experiment. So where we need to vary the bandwidth or setting the queue size. So whatever it is required. Then run the TCL script by using ns again file name dot tpl. Simulation result will be stored in output dot tr. Output file will have all the trace file of simulation. Next we need to write an AWK code, awk code in the terminal, that is by writing gedit file name dot awk. So there we need to write the awk code to filter the output file. So wherever the graph is need to be drawn as per the requirement, and also performance need to be calculated.
Now we are going to do the third experiment in NS2. Implement an Ethernet LAN using N node and set multiple traffic node and plot congestion window for different source or destination. So this is the we need in this experiment. So we should find out the plot the congestion window for source or destination. Okay. So now I'm going to type again Java. So this is again scenario, wired scenario. So I'm going to take the multiple node here, N0, N1, N2, N3. I'm taking there are 4 node here, N0, N1, N2, N3. Okay. So I'm not going to add the link directly here. I'm taking agent TCP for which I want to make the sender here. So this is I am going to make the sender TCP. This N2 also I am going to make the sender, and the receiver is TCP sync. This I am going to make the receiver, and this is the receiver. So now I am going to connect TCP0 to this and TCP1 to this. So I am now going to add the application FTP for TCP. So this is the both sender. Okay. So next parameter done, which will be generating TCL script. I'm going to save as experiment 3 exp3.tcl. By default it will take TCL save. So I'm going to just close this. So we should add one thing here, make LAN. So we should make an Ethernet LAN. Make LAN commands are there. So we need to type that. So I'm going to open now gedit 3 experiment 3.tcl. Okay. So it is going to open. So where we need to change it. Okay. So in the links definitions, so which I already have these documents NSG. So third program TCL I already made it this. So this we are just going to copy paste over there because the congestion window we need to find out. So here in the link definition there is a one command ns make line n0 n1 n2. So for all these 3 things, so we need to add this command control C. So in the links definition control V. So next, so in the agent definition, which is already there, but packet size we need to here agent definition, that packet size we need to increase and set a TCP. So that is the remaining is the same thing. Just I am going to just copy all these things because I am not going to type one by one. Control C. So that is in the agent definition. Same thing here. Just replace this by that. Okay, because this is the 1500. Earlier it was 15,000. Earlier it was the 1500. And after that application definition, so here we need to add something. So directly I am copying this entire this thing. Control C. So this before starting this program we should type this enter these things. Okay, so I'm just going to add this application. Already it is there. Another two line of code we need to add it. Control V. Okay, so this is the here one thing. This is the F1. Earlier it was 1.2 2.0 at NS FTP start and stop. So we should add additional timing 2.5 5.0. So particular time it will start. Similarly for the TCP 0 also TCP 1 because to sender, another sender 3.0 6.0 we need to start. So set here F1. So which will be open output file, trace file in the or write mode. That is the we need to see that trace file CWND is the congestion window. So that we can see in the this F1 because we need to open in the separate file f1.tr. Similarly f2.tr. So congestion what is the that TCP1 first sender congestion will be getting here, another sender TCP1 congestion will be getting here. So we need to see the both, and we should see the plot the congestion of the file 1 and file 2 together. Okay, this is not required right now. I'm just closing. Just save this. I am closing this. Okay, so now run ns exp3.tcl. Okay, so keep aside this. Just make on this one. Okay, so now this is the going to run this. So movement of the Ethernet LAN from the sender to the receiver, which is the we have given the FTP start and stop time. Based upon that the this is the going to move. So congestion window where will be available in F1 and F2 we have created itself. So there we will get all the F1 and F2 details of. So now so this will be available. So we should write on AWK code AWK. So gedit experiment 3.awk. Okay, so now we have to write the code here. Just already typed code are available. I'm just going to open in the document. Already done it. 3.awk. Okay, only we need to get all the congestion window details here. Okay, only begin dollar sixth column congestion window, only we need to get it details of this one. Just copy paste, copy this, and I'm going to paste here, and I'm going to close this and save. Close. So I'm going to save this. Okay, now closed. So now I'm going to run awk space minus f. So this is the experiment 3 dot AWK. Okay, so now I am assigning that whatever I open file 1 f1.tr output out.tr, instead of that out.tr we are taking two file here. So f1.tr. Okay, so this I am going to, because we need to plot a congestion window, this I am going to take greater than symbol, simple any is a sample variable a1 or whatever it is. So next I am going to take the another same thing, this is the f2, this is the a2. So next, so after this, so I need to see this both result will be in the x graph. So there is the x graph command in the NS2, x graph ph space. So we have taken temporary variable that a1 single space a2. So which will give the graphical what is the comparison of the result of this. So we will extend this, we will get that actually what is the plot congestion of windows of the F1 TCP 0 and TCP 1 sender side we will get. So actually it is there in source or destination. So we are just showing that source side plot congestion window.